Hey, what's going on, guys? Carlos here. I'm back with another coil install. I look like shit right now. I was working on Gavin's car last night. Did inner tie rods on it. Took forever to install them. But today we're gonna install coilovers on a is300. He's on his way right now. I'll show you more of it. I'll try to get some clips here and there. And I know I haven't been as active as I want to be. I'm kind of like trying to figure things out, some personal things, but hopefully it all works out and I can keep, or at least trying to do YouTube like I want to. Maybe upgrade, get a better camera, start recording off my phone. I don't know, we'll just see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna try to be consistent even though, you know, I'm gonna be busy. Like even the 36 is going through some shit, dude. It's like, I don't know. I just need to fix it. I need to give her some more attention. But at the same time, I want to give her a rest.
Butter jelly the long way.
Anyways, I completely forgot to start recording, but Wesley got Rev 9 coils. About ready for the front. They left to go get some food. But yeah, they're already adjusted. They're maxed out. He wants to get max low. If we gotta raise it, we'll raise it. But yep. Another coilover install. I didn't feel a damn thing, but they're in. Now we're gonna lower the car now. How low you think that bit finna be? How low that
I think it's finna be low enough.
This one's out. This is your car. Not lower it.
It goes super slow. Get in there. There. Oh shit. Let it all the way out. Let it all the way out. You might need springs to that. Is it hard?
They didn't even look at the camera. Damn. Damn. He low, man. That nigga low, man. He low, man. He in that bed. Look at that. Damn. He needs springs, though.
Yeah.
That front, perfect, though.
You only need springs to do it, bro.
Yeah. That good right there. That, no.
That's not.
What do you mean it's that bad, bro?
It's really not that bad. It's really not that bad.
Okay.
I mean, yeah. Oh my god, bro. This is top.
This nigga geeked out. It's hard though.
Oh, you're not.
Bro, you can just go on Facebook and get some springs. The rears are easy now. Now that everything is like isn't so tight.
Bro, the rear, you can, bro, me and you can get that out.
Yeah, it's cake.
You do that on my turbulator.
See.
And then I'll roll your fenders too at my turbulator so you can.
Crazy how these bitches do anything for fun. My heart so cold, the blood in my motherfucking veins. You gotta stay on track every day like a
Smoking train.
I get my nigga a stick before you get a chain. Crazy, you hold up 30.
This shit goes crazy, bro. Look at this. Play some. This shit.
Oh,